everyone, good morning all. How are you all children? You all are very fine and celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, Ganu Mama, Ganesh Mama is your favorite god. Hana? So do worship very nicely and celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi while doing study. Okay? So you all are doing a great job. Whatever work I am giving you, you all are completing on time and sending me your proper reply, sending me your proper videos. So clap for all the good, smart, intelligent students of class 2. Those who are sending me their replies very nicely. And I checked your notebook. I also checked your notebook. Those who brought their notebook in the school, I checked your notebook, but little disappointment is there that my dear students, right now you all are sitting at your homes and you have lots of free time. You have lots of free time, but unfortunately I don't know why you are not doing writing practice, because this time I am little bit disappointed. I have little unsatisfaction, little unhappiness, because you all are not writing very beautifully. See, when you was in class 1, you did a fabulous job. That time you all had the good handwriting, you all had the superb handwriting, but this time no handwriting appreciation from my side. Only one student has good handwriting, and he makes me happy. When I saw his notebook, that time I felt very happy, very satisfied. And this clap especially for Anvesh Mishra, because Anvesh Mishra is the only one student who wrote very nicely, beautifully. Awesome work he has done in the notebook. है ना? But notebook those I checked. I am talking about notebook those I checked. And some students they did not write with their own. They took their parents' help. Why you took your parents' help? Your parents, you all are on learning mode. You all are these students of class 2, है ना? Your name is registered in the school. You are the student of Gokuldas Public School class 2. Then why you are not writing in your notebooks? Why you are taking lots of help? See, I have seen so many notebooks which wrote by the parents. It is not good for you. This time you are sitting at your home. You have lots of free time. Then I don't know why you are not writing by your own. This little unsatisfaction from your side. I am not very much happy to say you this. See, I am not feeling very much happy to tell you this. Why you are taking your parents' help, beta? You have to write. You are the student of class 2. You have to learn. When you will write, definitely you will be a good boy. You will get good handwriting. If you will not write, if your mama will write on behalf of you, how you can get a good handwriting? Okay, so this time hope you will write own. Okay, and one more appreciation I want to give about the Instagram. There is one what I can say, Tiranga, making Tiranga type competition was there in Instagram na. In that there were two categories, है ना? First one is in senior group and second one is in junior group, and your parents also allowed to take the part in that competition. So one of class 2 parent, Pranav Goyal's mama, she took first position, because they are giving only first prize. There is no second, there is no third. है ना. So Pranav Goyal's mama Priyanka Goyal, Mrs. Priyanka Goyal got the first position. There is no second and third position. She was the lady which she got the first position. She took first position. So this clap for that lady, Mrs. Priyanka Goyal. Congratulations ma'am, congratulations for your good job, for your great job. Congratulations from my side. Okay, now these all are the little conversation about your notebook and about the appreciation of Priyanka ma'am. Now it's time to come back on study. So let's start the study. We already started chapter 4, house. In this category I told you that there are so many types of houses, है ना, and we are learning about the कच्चा house, right, है ना. And in this category we are going to learn 3 things. First, different type of houses and roofs. Second is special features of a good house, and third is people who build a house, है ना. So in this category we are learning in first category different type of houses. Okay, so I am going to take a little recap, because recap is very much necessary to get the connectivity between the lectures, है ना. So why do we need a house? Yes, of course we need a house to live in, because house protect us from heat, cold, rain and winter and strong wind. Strong wind से बेटा, can you understand the meaning of strong wind? Strong wind means जो हवा का तेज भंवर आता है, that is called strong wind in English, and Hindi we can call it strong भंवर, हवा का जो तेज भंवर आता है ना. And house is not protecting us from these seasons only. House is protecting us from thieves and wild animals also. We all are feeling very comfortable and cozy in our houses, है ना. House is the place where we can feel safe, where we can feel happy. Why? Because we all are living with our family members in that house. So that time we will not called house, है ना. If we are living with our family, house became home. जब हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ किसी जगह पे, किसी घर में रहते हैं, तो बेटा वो तब तक, जब वो खाली होता है तब तक वो घर होता है, ठीक है. जब हम अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ रहते हैं, when we start living with our family members, so it convert into home. It convert into home, है ना. So house is like us. Animals also need a house, है ना. Like us, like we human being, animal also needs a house, but they don't have the proper house like कच्चा house and पक्का house and all, है ना. But they wants to protect their self from all type of seasons. That's why they are using the shelters. We are not calling that शेर का घर, means चीते का घर, है ना. We are not calling like that. We can't say like that. They are using the shelters. They are using the caves to protect their self from all type of seasons and strong wind, right. So animals are living in the shelter. They are using the shelter, है ना. In that category I already spoke about the कच्चा house. What is कच्चा house? See, early man's in ancient time, है ना, पुराने समय में there was no houses, because culture is not very much developed, human is not very much developed was that time, na. So human are using caves. Why? Because they wants to protect their self from seasons and the wild animals, है ना. वो लोग भी थे ना बेटा, जो अर्ली टाइम्स में जो मैन हुआ करते थे, वो भी अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना चाहते थे. बट हाउ दे कैन प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ? वो कैसे प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं? दैट टाइम तो नो हाउस वाज देयर उस समय. लाइक राइट नाउ तो वी ऑल आर हैविंग द पक्का हाउस, द स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस, है ना. दैट टाइम दैट टाइप ऑफ फैसिलिटी वाज नॉट देयर, है ना. So what they will do? So they are using the caves. वो गुफाओं का यूज करते थे. They are using the caves to protect themselves from all type of seasons and the wild animals है ना. And then it's time to see. जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया, they starts making the कच्चा house. They starts making the कच्चा house. कच्चा house we can call hut also. है ना. When you will go in any village, you can see there is so many कच्चा houses. है ना. They are using the bamboos, mud and straws to making these houses. है ना. And one thing is not good about that house is they are not very much strong. They cannot people those who are living in kacha house, they cannot survive when heavy rain will come. है ना. When heavy rain is there, so these kacha house cannot protect those people. They are using that kacha house. है ना. And kacha house cannot protect us from wild animal also. है ना. Suppose in any village there is a kacha house है ना, and some people are sleeping in that house है ना. Suppose then lion will come, so lion can break that kacha house. वो तोड़ सकता है because he has very power है ना. So kacha house is not very much protective, is not very much strong in front of the season, especially in the rainy season. ठीक है. And then it's time to see. जैसे जैसे समय आगे बढ़ता गया, they starts making the कच्चा house है ना. Then they realize यार this कच्चा house तो cannot protect us from rain. Then what we will do? Which type of house we can make so we can protect ourselves, especially from rain. So they start thinking, and then they start using these stones. उस समय फिर उनको रियलाइज हुआ यार अब तो बहुत बड़े बड़े स्टोन्स यूज करने चाहिए, बिकॉज स्टोन पत्थर इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना. सो दे स्टार्ट यूजिंग दी स्टोन्स एंड देन दे स्टार्ट मेकिंग दी हाउसेस बाय यूजिंग दी स्टोन. और पत्थर बहुत मजबूत होता है, राइट. सो एंड देन it's time to see. Then the man starts the making pakka house, and then they are using the steel, brick, cements and all to get the pakka house. Why? Because the pakka house is very very strong rather than the kacha house है ना. So this is the process है ना. ऐसा नहीं होता कि अर्ली मैन directly they were used that bricks and all, because that time no bricks was there, that time no cement was there, that time no steel was there. This is the process beta, this is the process which we can, this is the development process है ना. यही तो होता है विकास, यही विकास कहलाता है ना. So from early man to till, this is the entire process to get the pakka house, right. Once again I will repeat the things so you can understand nicely. See, early man wants to protect themselves from all type of seasons and wild animals, because they were also afraid from the wild animals है ना. So they took the shelter in the caves. That time they used shelter, they used caves to get the shelter है ना. Then they realized यार कि we need a house to protect ourselves है ना. So they starts making the kacha house है ना. Then they took some bamboos है ना and the leaves है ना, and they made a kacha house. They made a kacha house while using the bamboos, leaves and mud है ना. But when the rain come है ना, it's rainy day, suppose and heavy rainfall is there, बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है, then that कच्चा house cannot survive in that condition ना बेटा, कच्चा हाउस cannot survive in that condition. तेज बारिश होगी डेफिनेटली वो पूरा का पूरा कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, ढह जाएगा, है ना. सो देन दे रियलाइज यार वी नीड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस, है ना, एंड दैट स्टोन्स आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, दे कैन गिव अस अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाउस. सो देन दे स्टार्ट्स मेकिंग द हाउस बाय यूजिंग द स्टोन्स. By using the stones they starts making their houses, and that houses was very strong in front of all seasons, and they are protecting wild animals and the especially rain. Okay, so this was a little recapitulation of whatever we have done in our previous lecture. Now I am going to read this paragraph. I am going to read this paragraph, है ना, this entire paragraph, then I will explain you. Okay, so people live in different type of houses. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. Once again let me write types of houses. Okay, people live in different type of houses. Yes, it is very much correct. Everybody has different house according to their need, है ना. No one has the similar house, है ना. Everybody has different type of families, different type of climate conditions, different type of weather, and according to that condition, according to that climate, according to their family requirement, they always take that type of houses, है ना. So this line is very much correct written over here in your book. People live in different type of houses, है ना. Then some houses are made up of mud, leaves, straw and bamboos. Yes, it is very much correct written over here, and I explained you the house which made by the bamboos, mud and straw, we call that kacha house, है ना. So you have to underline this line number 1. Some houses are made up of mud, leaves, straw and bamboos. They are called kacha house. This line you have to make it underline, right? Kacha house are not very strong. What the thing is not good about that kacha house? What is the thing that is not good about the kacha house is that kacha house is not very much strong. It collapses when heavy rain will come. When heavy rain will come, then that kacha house will collapse. वो ढह जाएगा, right? Kacha house are not very strong. They are generally found in villages. So where the kacha house usually found? Usually kacha house is found in the village only, है ना. When you will go from one city to another city, while going you can see lots of kacha house in the way. In the way you can see lots of so many kacha houses you can see while traveling. If you will travel with your vehicle, if you will travel with the bus, if you will travel in the train, you can see there is lots of kacha houses in while traveling. You can see lots of kacha houses, है ना. And hut is the example of kacha house. Yes, hut is the proper example of kacha house. Okay, so this all the explanation I already done in my previous lecture, and in this lecture I am also doing, है ना. Now I am going to read the paragraph number 2. Some houses are made up of brick, cement, steel, iron, wood and glass. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. People, those who are living in cities, they are using that type of houses which called the pakka house, and while making the pakka house we need bricks, we need cement, we need iron, we need wood, we need glass to get a pakka house, to build a pakka house, है ना. And what is good thing about that pakka house? The good thing is that about the Pakka house is it is very, very strong. Pakka house cannot collapse easily in front of heavy rain, है ना? Pakka house cannot collapse easily against the heavy rain, right? Okay, now move on. They found in towns and cities. Yes, very much correct written over here. All type of Pakka houses are usually found in the towns and the cities, है ना? And bungalow and apartment, underline these two words. Underline these two words, bungalows and apartment. Whatever is written with the red ink, you have to make it underline, whether I speak or not, whether I tell you or not, right? Because why? See, all the chapter is written with the black ink, है ना? While printing, the printer used the black ink. Then why he used this red and blue ink? Whatever heading is there, they used blue ink, and whatever is written with the red ink, it means this is the special part of that paragraph. So you have to make it underline, whether I will speak, whether I will tell you to or not. You have to make it underline. So bungalows and apartment are the example of Pakka house. Yes. In the cities, in the big town, in the metropolitan cities, we can see the different type of bungalows, है ना? Different type of bungalows. And when you will go to Indore or any metropolitan city, any big city of the country, you can see there is so many apartments. Apartment means एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक, एक के ऊपर एक, like that, है ना? So this is called apartment. This is called apartment. Bungalow is a different. Bungalow has only a particular person. Bungalow is made up by that particular person, है ना? But apartment, usually in apartment में and most of the people can live together in the apartment. But bungalow is especially made for a particular family, है ना? A particular family. Bungalow में बेटा एक या दो families ही रहती हैं. But in the apartment there is so many families can live together, like apartment wise. First apartment, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that only, है ना? So there can many families can live together in that apartment, right? A bungalow is a single story building. Yes, it is very much correct written over here. You have to make the underline this single story building. You have to make the underline this word single story building, right? So what is written? A bungalow is a single story building. Yes, it is very much correct, because you can see the picture of Bangalore. Yes, Bangalore is a single story building. Bangalore is a single story building. It is especially made for a single family. It is especially made for a single family, है ना? An apartment is a multi-story building. It has many houses called flats. Flats help to save space. Yes. See the next picture beside Bangalore. You can see this is the picture of apartment. You can see this is the picture of an apartment, है ना? And apartment, there is lots of stories. There is so many stories, and I already told you, I already explained you that many families can live together in this apartment building wise, apartment wise, है ना? So bungalow takes, what is up? This question is in your mind, ma'am. What is the difference between bungalow and an apartment? There is difference between bungalow and apartment. Bungalow is a single story building first, है ना? And apartment has so many buildings. Bungalow has single story building, right? This is first difference. And apartment has so many buildings, so many stories, right? This is difference number 1. And difference number 2, bungalow is made for a single family or joint family, है ना. Bungalow has made for only single family, and an apartment, there many families can live together in different stories, in different stories, है ना. And bungalow is made by a person. Bungalow is made by a person, and apartment is made by the owner of that particular place, है ना. And bungalow has no flat system. Bungalow has no flat system, but apartment has so many flats in different buildings, है ना. अपार्टमेंट में बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग्स भी हो सकती हैं. अपार्टमेंट में बहुत सारे फ्लैट्स भी हो सकते हैं in different buildings, in different buildings. So there is difference between a bungalow and an apartment, right? So hope you understand the difference between bungalow and the apartment, right? So once again I will repeat all these things. है ना. In one day we cannot take so many concepts. In one day, my dear students, we cannot take so many concepts. If I will take so many concepts, then you will get confused. What is this? What is that? है ना. So that's why my main motto is that to make you learn, is that to make you understand the concept of the chapter, है ना. What to learning you what you are learning in this chapter, how you can learn nicely through this chapter. That's why I always try to do not take so many concepts in one day. So once again I will revise the entire summary of the lesson, है ना. I already started chapter number 4, house. In that I am going to explain you types of houses. Yes. Why we need a house? We need a house to live in, है ना. We need a house to live in, and we want to protect ourselves from all type of season, whether it is a rainy season or it is a cold or it is a heat, है ना. And we want to protect ourselves from strong wind, जो तेज हवा आती है हवा की. We also need that time a house, है ना. And house protect us from wild animals and thieves also. House protect us from wild animals and thieves also. Right? यहाँ तक समझ में आया सबको? Hope समझ में आया. अच्छा, according to us, ठीक है, we human beings need house, right? But what about animals? Animals also required. Animals also wants to protect themselves from all type of season, है ना. Because animal also a living thing. अगर आपको किसी सीजन से प्रॉब्लम होती है क्योंकि आप लिविंग थिंग हो, यू कैन ब्रीथ, यू कैन वॉक, यू कैन फील हंग्री, यू कैन ईट, यू कैन थिंक. एज लाइक यू एनिमल ऑल्सो बिहेविंग, as like us, as like we human beings, animal also behaving. Animal also have fever. वो भी बीमार होते हैं. They are also feeling hungry. उन्हें भी भूख लगती है ना. उन्हें भी डर लगता है. उनके ऊपर भी मौसम की मार होती है. So they also need, they also required to protect their self. लेकिन हम और आप तो अपने लिए घर बना लेते हैं. But who will make the home for them? जंगल में जाकर. See, if an animal is domestic, so definitely we can make this small home for them, है ना. Here I am not talking about the domestic animal, but I am giving you example. If we have domestic animal with us, domestic animals means animals those who can live with us in our homes, है ना. Domestic animal means the animals who can live with us in our homes, but not all the type of animals. See, domestic animals means the animals who can live with us but not in our house. we have to make the separate shelter for them. We have to make the separate shelter for them. Yes, but pet animals, they can live with us. आप कुत्ते को घर में रख सकते हो, कैट को रख सकते हो, व्हाइट रैट को रख सकते हो, बट यू कैन नॉट कीप अ काउ, है ना, a buffalo, camel, sheep, horse, they all are the domestic animal, but they are not sleeping with us in our beds. They can't share our kitchens, they can't share our utensils, they can't share our bedrooms, they can't share our living room or drawing room. No. So for them we have to make the separate shelter. ठीक है? So all the domestic animals can definitely live with us, but we have to make them separate shelter. हमको उनके लिए एक separate place पर separate shelter बनाना पड़ता है. Yes, pet animals can live with us because हमको उनको पालने का शौक आता है. So they can live with us in our house. So they can share our house, है ना. But a cow, buffalo, sheep, है ना, and camel, horse, donkey, they all are the domestic animal, but they cannot share our house. They cannot share our home. We have to make the separate shelter for them. As like the wild animals also require, the wild animal also need to protect themselves from the seasons. That's why they are using the shelters. हम में से कोई भी जंगल में जाके उनके लिए घर बनाकर नहीं आता है ना. So they are using the shelters. They are using the shelters. अच्छा, कभी आपने सोचा है कि बारिश तो जंगल में भी बहुत होती है और जंगल में तो मैदानी इलाकों से ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. Then what the wild animals will do at that time when the heavy rain is there? So they use the mountain areas. वो क्या करते हैं बेटा, वो पहाड़ों के ऊपर चले जाते हैं और उन पहाड़ों के टॉप के ऊपर जाकर, उन माउंटेन्स के टॉप के ऊपर जाकर वो वहाँ पर कैब्स बना लेते हैं, शेल्टर ले लेते हैं. वो वहाँ पर गुफाएं बनाकर उसमें शेल्टर ले लेते हैं. बहुत बारिश होती है तब, राइट. सो human being need a house, but animals, they are not using house, they are using the shelters, right, है ना. And then I told you about the kacha house and pakka house. Yes, house which is made by the mud, bamboos and straw and leaves also, it is called a kacha house. And pakka house need cement, bricks and steel, है ना. What thing is not good about that kacha house? Kacha house is not very much strong. It is not very much strong. It can easily collapse in front of heavy rain. It can easily collapse. वो ढह जाएगा, गिर जाएगा in front of heavy rain, against of heavy rain. But a pakka house is very very strong rather than the kacha house. Right? Understand? अब what about early man? Early man के पास तो घर ही नहीं होता था. Then what they used? So they used the caves to protect their self, है ना. And then they starts learning the kacha house, and then after using the caves, then they starts learning the kacha house, है ना. And then they realize, यार this kacha house तो collapse easily in front of heavy rain. Then we have to think something else, something different, something new, है ना. So they starts making the house which is made by the stone, because stone is very strong. House which is made by the stone, it is not collapse easily, है ना. It cannot collapse easily. Okay, so this is all about the kacha house and pakka house. Now I told you the difference between a bungalow and the apartment. Bungalow is made for a particular person, but apartment is made for the owner of that place, है ना. And bungalow is, there is no story system. Bungalow, there is no story systems, and in flat there are so many stories. There are so many stories. There are so many flats, right? And bungalow is made for one family. bungalow is especially made for a single family, and but an apartment, there are so many families can live together. So many families live together in different multis, in different stories. Okay, so this is the main difference between kacha house and pakka house. This is the difference between a bungalow and an apartment. So this learning is quite enough for you for this time, and don't never ever forget this thing. Early man was using cabs to get the shelter, to protect their self, right? So this is entire story about the type of house, है ना? When we will meet on next lecture, we will discuss about types of roots. Type of roots. I am giving you a little example. You have to read these 4 lines. You have to read these 4 lines. This is your homework. This is your homework, right? So this is enough learning from my side to you. Till the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you all. And celebrate your Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Bye bye. Have a nice day.